Hello friend, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 30 liters model planetary mixer for United Arab Emirates client, which is used to mix material, some coatings, epoxy resin and graphite material for high viscosity. We can see that for this unit, it is a combination for the material discharging part and the mixing part. The key point is the right mixing part. We make it stainless steel for the material contact part and even for the outside. For the lower part mixing tank, we create a jacket which will be filled with conduction oil or water, some medium, and we insert the heaters into the jacket. So it has a heating function. All the motors parts, we use the Siemens brand motor. We make the whole unit explosion-proof type for the motors as well as electricity part, even for the cables. Let's turn to the back side. This is the vacuum system and driving system for the low speed, and inside the top part for the high speed driving system. Hydraulic station. For these motors, we use Siemens brand motor. And this is a discharging plate. Discharging plate would be helped push out the material from the tank. The tank has 4 wheels on the bottom, and we equipped a channel. So after material mixed, the tank would be transferred to the discharging point. Now let's focus on the panel. The mixer has been connected with electricity power. This is the voltmeter and meter. Temperature set for the jacket, temperature display for the inside material. 2 inverters, one is for the high-speed dispersing, and another is for the low-speed stirring or mixing part. After set, the speed would be displayed on the 2 inverter panels. For the buttons part, high-speed dispersing start-stop, low-speed stirring start-stop. For the whole top part mixing head up and down. For the vacuum, start and close, emergency stop button, light on the top cover. Here it's a light. We equipped 2 windows, one for check. This is the powder material feeding part, liquid material feeding part, vacuum connection part, and vacuum release part. Okay, now I make it rest. Driven by the hydraulic station, the whole top part raised. And then we can see the inside the structure clearly. It would be raised to the certain height and stop for the limit switch, like here. We can see the mixing tool structure. This is a twist type blades. A set 2 twisted type blades, and one shaft with 2 dispersing discs for the high-speed dispersing, and a scraper which will help the material leave from the inner wall. This is the inside tank, the charging part. Now I started first the low speed. Once the top head lifted, we can only drive the low speed for safety consideration, like this. So it has a revolution and rotation, a combination. Mixing system helps the material mixed more evenly. I stop it and make it down to test the high speed as well as the low speed. Okay, now I start the high speed. Make it a low speed to see it clearly. Okay. Stirring with a low speed. Let me check. Now we can see the high speed dispersing shaft work, as well as the low speed. In this way, material will be mixed well. We test the max speed. The max speed. Now the whole unit is working stable. Let's take around to see it. No problem. And I stopped. After mixed, we lifted the whole top head with blades and transfer the tank into the left part material discharging position, while wheels with channels, and then we can drive the plate to make material discharging like this. We have buttons separately. In this way, the plate would be pressed into the inner tank, and the material will be pressed out from the wall here. So just now I have made a simple introduction and test for the basic mixing function and the material discharging function for the new finished 30 liters model Planetary Mixer for United Arab Emirates client, used in high viscous material mixing industry. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact us for more information. Later, I would like to test the performance of the vacuum system for it. Thanks for watching.